Hi, I'm Carrie Lawless, and I have an amazing waterfront home to show you right here in Slidell. It has amazing curb appeal, a stunning updated interior, and a backyard to die for. Let's go on in and check it out. There are so many beautiful things to see in this home. And so right as you walk in, you're just welcomed with this gorgeous view right ahead of me. And then to my left is the beautiful stairway with this gorgeous nautical detail. So many details were thought out here. Then as we move over to my right, we walk into this gorgeous home office. One of the things I love about this whole downstairs is that all the ceilings are 9 feet. That really helps add to the spaciousness of this home. So as you can see, there's lots of natural light just flooding this room. What a great place to work with so many people working from home. All right, much more to see. As we come back through the foyer, we're walking into what is the main living area. This space is so comfortable, cozy, and absolutely beautiful. And again, we're met with the focal point of this beautiful waterfront view. One of the first things you see, though, as you walk into the room is this beautiful wet bar. This can double as a coffee bar, a wine bar. There is a mini fridge here and lots of storage, so super convenient space here. And then we have these beautiful, thick wooden shelves. What a great detail to really elevate the look of this room. Now, as we come on in, we are moving past the kitchen and we've got these gorgeous taupey gray concrete countertops. They're absolutely beautiful. We also have a breakfast bar which gives additional seating for 3. Very convenient. Now over here we have a dining area, very, very spacious. As it sits right now, there is room for 10 people to sit at this table very comfortably. Again, enjoy the beautiful view overlooking the pool and the water. Stepping into the kitchen, you see such a spacious area to work in, to entertain in. We have the ivory cabinetry with just that little bit of glazed detail, very subtle but beautiful. We have the glass front cabinetry here with the seated glass. We have the lights above, absolutely gorgeous. I love this backsplash. I love the arabesque tile, and I also think this pot filler detail is really spectacular. Now on this side, we have the deep modern stainless single bowl sink here, really nice to work in, and then stainless appliances all the way around. Another detail that I really love are these pot drawers, so convenient. Now there are 2 pantries in here, which I really love. This one is very well thought out. It's got custom wooden shelving all the way around, but here's my favorite thing. Right here is a butler's pantry. So you can keep that neat, clean look all the time, have everything hidden behind here. There are plugs all around, and then there's this great wooden countertop surface to work on. So lots more to see. Let's keep on going. One more thing I wanted to mention about this kitchen is the lighting. The detail is absolutely spectacular, really elevates the look of the kitchen. So then we walk into the first of the 2 living spaces here. There is plenty of room for seating here. We have a beautiful wood-burning fireplace, lots of room to spread out. One of the other things I love about this main living space is that there's beautiful vinyl plank flooring. The color is so neutral, it goes with any color decor. All right, let's go into the next living space. This next room is one of my favorite spaces in the home. And one of the things I love so much about it is how versatile it is. First of all, this room is really large, lots of square footage, and it's right now being used as a multi-purpose space. So this is a second living area, which is great for teenagers, for kids to have their own space. We've got the double glass doors that can be closed. You can still see what's going on, but not have to have the noise. Now, behind me over here, you have this fabulous waterfront view, literally windows from wall to wall, letting in all this natural light. And then you have the gaming area behind. There's also lots of shelving all the way around, so lots of room for storage or putting your beautiful things. So again, you could even use this as a pool table room and take up the whole space with a pool table. Now, as we walk over to this side, there's lots more to see right here. So there is a very large storage room right behind here really fantastic. And don't you just love this door detail? There is a 2-car garage here and a absolutely charming powder room right here. There's wood ceiling detail, wood wall detail, an adorable painted vanity cabinet and mirror. Just so much to see packed in one little space. All right, there's still a lot more to see in this house. Let's keep going. As we come up these adorable stairs, the first thing we come to is the shared bath. I love this space because there's so much room in here. There's this whole area here with storage all underneath, beautiful vanity, and then gorgeous tile detail behind me, as well as additional storage here. Let's check out the bedrooms. We're walking into the first of the 3 bedrooms, and this is a very comfortable room. It has 2 closets, and of course, one of the best things about all these rooms is the view. We've got this upstairs balcony that goes all the way across. It's accessible by bedrooms on each end, and wow, what a fantastic place to take in the view and just enjoy the waterfront. All right, let's go to the next bedroom. All of the bedrooms in this house are really amazing, but this one takes glam to the next level. This room is so much fun to be in. I mean, from the chandelier to the shelves, it just feels spectacular. And of course, this is decorated to be a girl's dream. However, this could be used for any of your treasures. This is just a great room. All right, let's go on to the next. We are heading into the primary suite, and when I tell you spectacular, this space is truly spectacular. So again, we've got that amazing waterfront view. We have the balcony to enjoy a glass of wine in the evening, coffee in the morning, or just enjoy the view in general. This is a very spacious room. We have 2 closets on the other side of the room. We have a floating dresser, and then lots of room for this king-size bed. I love the lights. It's so glamorous and amazing in here. But wait till we check out the ensuite. This ensuite absolutely screams luxury. Would you just look at this space? Imagine being here every single day. This tub is amazing. It has the window overlooking the water and then the glass surrounding this absolutely gorgeous, huge shower. It's just a wonderful, wonderful space to be in. Then we have the dual vanity. Everything is white, light, bright, and airy. Lots and lots of storage, but there's still more to see. What a surprise this is to have right through the ensuite. So this is the upstairs laundry, and what a glamorous laundry this is. We have the bins right here, folding space, beautiful appliances here, and then of course we have the farmhouse sink. I mean, this space just has everything to offer, even pull down racks. Who wouldn't want to do laundry in here? All right, still so much more to see. I know I've mentioned this balcony a couple of times, but I felt like I really needed to show you what this looks like up here. Imagine your morning coffee right off of this balcony with this view to look at. It is so spectacular. The breeze is also amazing. All right, we've got a lot to see downstairs. Let's keep going. If this house wasn't already fabulous enough, this outdoor space totally takes it to the next level. Look at this outdoor entertaining area. So we've got this gorgeous pergola above for shade and shelter from the weather, and then we've got this gorgeous outdoor bar with the travertine tile countertops. We've got a bar sink out here, an ice maker, a mini fridge, and additional storage. Then we've got the TV behind me on this charming brick wall for entertaining, and then we come around and this deck is huge. I mean, the entertaining that you could do here, you can fit lots of people on this deck. So we've got living area, dining area, mulling around area, and then look at the pool behind me. It's a heated saltwater pool, absolutely gorgeous. The waterfall sound is spectacular. And then down below, we have a boathouse, a fish cleaning sink. This is truly a waterfront dream. Make your appointment today. My name is Carrie Lawless.